Smart. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Where's your team from?
DFW.
DFW.
It's coming.
It'll come.
Down goes Clay.
Just get a free twisted up. All right, ladies. We need to do something. Good move. Good hustle. Come on, y'all. We don't even have a bucket. Fine. Come on now. Stacey, whenever you're ready. Say so. Oh, hell no. I said if you're ready. Are you ready? You need to get your feelings.
D-man, Simone.
Ten to 2.
Rebound, lady. Hand up, hand up.
2 fouls on him.
Look how many you got.
2 fouls.
Good. Theo, you ready? Hand up.
Out, out, out.
There she is. Get space, get space.
There you go. Hit the boards, y'all.
Hand up. Hand up.
Oh. Watch your shot. Get your hand up. Go out. Go out. Look. Look. You got a mismatch.
Move.
Twist. Come on. You got to call. Foul.
Left hand. Everybody out. Left hand. Push it. Yeah. No twist. She twisting her wrist.
She's pushing and stopping.
Yeah.
Elevated follow through.
Go back. Post up, Jack. They got to use it. She can shoot, Jack. She can shoot. Watch the screen. Watch the screen. Get out there. Short. Come on, make the passes. Use your advantage. Turn around. Post up. What is that? 8-8.
5, 8, 6.
Hand up.
Go out.
Stacey, good.
Turn. There you go. Go back up. What?
After she shoot.
Number 3. There you go. And you got
Elevated follow through.
Hey, Lydia did.
There you go.
Lydia.
Sub,
Come on,
sub.
Stace. Come on, Stace. Aaron, you got her on defense. You're on offense. You're on offense. Go through. Oh, the baseline's open.
Shot.
There you go. There you go. Now go, Aaron, you're on defense. Defense. They would have. You're on offense now. Go through. Oh, come on, she's pushing. Call it.
He couldn't see it.
They got 1 rep, they need 2 reps. Drive! There you go. All day on the baseline. That's the shooter, get your hand up! Clear out, Aaron, clear out. Come out. Yes.
Hand up.
Hand up.
Nothing.
Hand
Hand up. There you go.
There you go.
Hand up.
Stay with her, Aaron. Stay with your man.
Hand up, Jack, hand up. Hand to the free throw line, there you go. Shoot!
Turn around. You got it. Go up. There you go.
Come on, be up,
She's
be
a
up.
shooter. She's a shooter.
Foul.
Up.
I got 2,000, so do you.
Yeah.
Aaron, that's yours. 10. That's I say go get him. Yeah, so she's off.
Stay on, Aaron, stay on.
Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stay with it.
Hand up, hand up, hand up. There you go.
Lydia gonna come out?
We don't want you overdoing it. You don't know how well. Good job.
Hands up, hands up.
You get feeling dancey or funky, you let
I
us
was
know.
playing Make It Take It.
I just don't have no lift right now. But I might jump in there.
Yeah.
What
kind of dog is that?
Australian Cattle.
Cattle, that's what I'm talking.
Look good, just get it back.
Play smart, play smart.
Who's here to rhythm? I just need to get my shit loose or something, I guess, for jumping.
Hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Ball behind you. You gotta turn it on in the second half. Yeah, it's hard to move.
Hand up.
It's hard to move. I'm not tired. Just they can't do it. They doubling down. No problem. Yeah. We'll move around more. There's no longer that. Good rebound. Ah, shit. Come on, y'all. Put it in there.
Hand up.
That's a foul.
They got me down there, too.
They leaning over.
You can go up on that.
No, they didn't have position.
Let's take it back.
All right, Stacey, there you go.
Come on, y'all. We need to pick it up. No, they make it pick it back.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, any change of possession.
Hands up.
Left, right.
he'll knock it out.
Hand up.
Help.
How far down on? 17.
Oh, down by 7.
Not bad. We're trying to look. We're all right.
Oh, y'all went to the line 2 or 3 times.
Stacy went. Remember she breaks.
Don't give, don't give. Hand up. Hands up, Lydia. There you go.
That wasn't no charge.
You good?
You good?
You good? Look. You good?
Short.
What's up, Ralph?
Good.
Back up, Jay. Short!
Let it go, let it go.
Back up, Come on.
Blue ball. Go left, Seth, go left, go left. There you go.
Come on now, thank you.
There you go, Seth.
Because what she do, she put her arms like that, she lean over, then she do this. Put a little lift.
Rainbow it. There you go. There you go. There you go. See up. Blue ball, let's go. Left.
Get up. Back out.
There you go.
Back out.
Get out there.
Get out there.
Mismatch. Help.
Hold on, you gotta wait.
Boom, guys, y'all stay.
Up.
Get some lift on it.
Mine. Telling me no. All right, Jack. Lift. There you go.
She only hit one.
Hand up. Get on it, Lily. Get on there, Aaron. Hand up. There you go. Hey, just like that. Keep your hand up. Good job. There we go. Need both of them. Get back in.
Behind the free throw line.
There you go. Right there. Yeah. Stay on it, Stacey. Stay on it.
Bravo.
Almost got away with it.
You got two. On you.
There you go.
Go up.
Yeah. Get up.
Turn your man, Harry.
Get on.
Stay with it, Harry.
Stay on there.
Move your feet. Good job, Harry.
Hands up.
Left. Like a screen, step up. Stay with it. Oh, she travels.
Real.
Man, Aaron. I'm on the floor.
Yeah.
I'm on the floor. Get over there.
Hand up, baby.
Yeah, ready, come on.
Bring it down.
Step up.
There you go.
Come out.
Mutombo. Good job, Mutombo.
Clear out. Hey, we got no flag.
Shot in, shot.
There you go.
That's all right. Get up. That's all right. Put your hand up. There you go. Move your feet. There you go.
Serve.
Hey, that's the shot you need to shoot. Right? Just take your time and let it shot. Hand up. There you go.
Right there.
Judy, you got rebound.
Come on, TM. Quit throwing it so hard.
Too high. Nice job.
We played.
Come on, y'all.
Get out there, get out there. Get out there, no handle, no handle.
Damn.
Come on, y'all. We getting that hustle. Grab.
Go, 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 go.
That's all I
Too hard, baby. Hand up, hand up, hand up. Watch, watch. Come on, guys, gotta move.
Well, they shot it. They shot it.
That's why they
Stop
didn't
there,
go
go
out.
in, go in. Get us there. Help, help.
Time out. Time out.
Follow your shot. Follow your shot. Follow your shot. Hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up. Hand up. Get on, get on, get on. All right. Gee up, let's go. Hand up, Jack, hand up. Screen left.
In the corner.
They ain't calling no fouls.
Hand up, hand up. Hand up, Jack. There you go.
Come on now.
Come on, get it. Help, help. Help. Shoot it. Put your hand up, dude.
There wasn't no foul.
Get up, get up, get up. Be up, let's go.
Oh, but you want to call that? We're getting beat up under the goal, but he want to call that.
Y'all all right? Jack, you need sub? They're playing like a regular game now. The ball comes off.
No way.
And we got to take it back.
27 seconds.
Be smart.
Clock!
Be smart.
Wait, he telling the when to start. He telling the when to start.
Hey. taking it out. You're taking it out. Layup. Layup. Back door.
Stacy, you want to get in there for Michelle? Stacy, you want to get in there for Michelle?
Sub. Michelle.
Okay, get it back out, Lane. Get it back out.
1 and 1.
Shot.
Rebound now, come on. Rebound. But they have to take it out.
Yeah. We get it. We put it back up.
There you go.
Shot, Jack.
Rebound, right back out.
How much time left?
10 seconds.
Keep it.
Yeah, there you go. Jack, that's the fast I've seen you move in 7 years. Yeah, that was Usain Bolt fast. Hit one, need one.
That ball game?
.2.
Once it hit the rim, it's supposed to start. But the thing about it is, once it hit the rim, the clock's supposed to start. Once it hit the rim, the clock's supposed to start.
If anything, it's .2.
Once the ball touched the rim, the clock's supposed to start. No, I'm in,
You're in Dallas.
Dallas.
I was at the